This is item number 9434 with M&M Equipment Corp. This is a Hollymatic 180 Alpha mixer grinder. All stainless steel construction. A 200-pound capacity hopper. This unit is fitted with a Gemini side port. This has a grind capacity up to 2,400 pounds per hour with a size 52 stainless steel cut group. This also has a 7.5 horsepower motor, all running on 230 volts. Here we'll start it up. And this is how you engage the clutch. You also have your safety. When the door opens, automatically turns off. And also when you engage the emergency stop, you can operate it with a foot pedal. Again, this is item number 9434 with M&M Equipment Corp.